Well, tá mar ar an ciste féile na Bealtaine agus catáisiúil an seo hanmh ná mar chuide éil na Bealtaine tá Ceardlann sráide siúil. Sé téma an sráide im léana ná litríocht leanaí.
I was employed by Dr. Micheál Fanning, God rest him, and subsequently by his wife Noreen Fanning, to come and give workshops mainly with the local schools on the peninsula of Corca, and I've been coming every year ever since. And we're working on the bigger props for adults at the moment today.
Na daoine tá ag obair ar an sráide in nómhansa ná obairthirí bheonacha ón leithéine sear fad. Tá daoine ar nós ealaíontóirí agus daoine a bhríonn le aimid agus daoine go bhfuil agsúlach scileanna acu agus bíonn siad ag roinnt na scileanna eatartha agus tagann sé le chéile.
I was really delighted at the chance to do this because I've never had the chance to make big props as such prior to this. We've been doing all sorts of things, and the theme is, of course, for children's storybook.
My name is Márta Kelleher. Got involved in street theatre in Clonakilty and then worked with Macnas and so on and so on. I found it addictive. I mean, absolutely addictive. It's the whole thing about satisfaction and building up a buzz with a load of people, and especially people who haven't done it before.
And so the things like the items for the Mad Hatter's Tea Party, were huge cups and saucers and things. And the amazing part is using the basic material we're using for the frames for that are the twigs and things, the sallies.
I can't keep them, provided with enough work. They're baiting through it. They're using their own initiative and they're doing it perfectly. And it's absolutely fantastic, really satisfying.
I got a great kick out of using some of the skills which were passed on to me by a local man, Donald O'Shea. He was explaining one time to me how to make lobster pots. And so I'm using those skills in making teacups.
And each school on the peninsula, there'll be about 10 primary schools. They will all choose a book, and they have done so already. Like one school are doing Harry Potter. Another school are doing Where's Wally?
Agus beag litríocht áitiúil ar nós Jimín Mhóra Haig mar héime ag scoile bháin bun scoile, agus an son litríocht ón daon lehan ar nós the Pied Piper, agus 8 lá ag taistil timpeall an daon, agus a lehéidí.
And it's really good for the community, especially for the kids. I mean, really good for the kids. You see 6 or 7 years olds stilt walking, who had never done anything, and suddenly they're absolutely brilliant. And it's lovely to work here. But it's always the same in Dingle. There's a great attitude and there's a great spirit, and it's kind of, come on, let's go, let's do it,
They're making a huge caterpillar, just literally, by putting things together, just hoops of plastic piping and wiring and that, and then covering it with fabric. So it's huge, great work.
It's fascinating. It's amazing how you can see people flower and bloom and flourish and suddenly find that they have abilities they never knew they had,
And I didn't expect, I think, as many people and the mixture of people from all around the community. So I now have met people I wouldn't otherwise have met, and I'll know them again, and they'll know me.